Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I look a freaking mess. I hope this video doesn't seem rushed because I'm trying to do it before sundown. Ew, I don't like how I look right now, whatever. So it's that time here to get into some spooky and fun looks. 3 years ago, I can't even believe it's been 3 years, I did this little half glam, half zombie makeup look. My son is destroying things, specifically my lipstick collection. And you know what? It turns out cute, but it could have been way better. And today I thought it'd be cool to kind of remake that look and just do it next level. This is going to be kind of a beginner's tutorial because one, it's going to be mostly drugstore products, and two, I'm not that talented. Yeah, keep watching, guys. Thanks for coming. Hello, so here I am. This is my before. Obviously, you already seen it. But the first step I'm doing for this zombie slash glam look is dividing my face and making the line or the barrier between where the zombie's gonna begin and end and where the glam is gonna begin and end. I did put in a light colored contact for the zombie side. I just thought it would have like a more dramatic effect. If you have like the white, full on white contact, that would be really cool. But I just did light blue. And then I filled in my my left brow how I would for just regular makeup or a full face. And I concealed it with the Maybelline Age Rewind. Yes, that is a top drugstore product pick for me. So next, I decided to do my zombie brow on my right side. And all I did was take a cheap black liquid liner with a flimsy brush and did little brow strokes and made like a very bushy, dark brow for the zombie. Then I decided to prime my glam side. And what I used was the Wet n Wild Illuminating Primer. So you can see my skin looks nice and illuminated. And then I went over top it with my Winky Lux like BB cream. And I love it. I just feel like the shade is like my perfect shade. So this is my Betty's Diner palette from 90s Baby Cosmetics. And I wanted to do something really just, pretty, like glowing glam. And I ended up having a tough time with the glam eye. As you can see, I like added a darker shade, and that's where things kind of started going south. I wanted a more neutral glowing eye look, but I went ahead and I cut the crease anyway. You can see I dragged the wing out. And then I darkened up, then I did my liquid liner wing, which you can see is very dramatic. I tried to slant it upward and just make like a bold cat eye. Woo! Then I went over it with my brow palm because I just like to do that sometimes to kind of set it in place. And you can see it's out there, but I like it. Now I added glitter, and this is where things got tough because the glitter was chunky, and it is hard working with a chunky press glitter on your lid. I do recommend doing the liner first. I went over top that with my Evera Liquid Gold. Now, that was to try and smooth over the glitter, but who's to say if it worked or not. Alright, next up, mascara on both lashes, both eyes, sorry about that. And I even tried to double up my winged liner with the layer of white liquid liner from Ruby Kiss. And like I said, it is hard to do liquid liner on top of a chunky press glitter. So it was a little rough around the edges, but I did do like a dusty brown shade under my eye to give some depth and shadow. So now I'm applying lashes. These are my new lashes from Eyelash Plug, which is my business. Please follow it on Instagram. And you'll see I'm going to be applying the same lash to both sides. And then I kind of screwed up, got a big black smudge on my eye. I'm very annoyed at this point, but I tried my best to conceal it. And then randomly I decided, hey, I'm going to put the white liner in the crease as well to really define this eye look. And that's when I realized I should probably stop messing with the eye look. But I still highlighted my brow bone with the Evera Liquid Gold. Just kind of blend it out with my finger. So yeah, the white liner is a little rocky, but you'll see it actually all comes together in the end. This is my butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. This is a new product that I've tried out. Yeah, and it's decent, nice decent bronzer. I'm just doing the regular contour areas, including the side of my nose. Really trying to get that Instagram baddie defined contour look. And I took some reddish pigment from my Profusion Rubies palette. And I tried to blend that to make a nice blended out rosy cheek. And then I took an even darker cool undertone shade from my LA Colors palette to try and define that cheekbone, because I love defining cheekbones that, you know, look like they could cut a cake. So this is my Profusion Starlets palette. I'm trying to add in some pinkier mauve shades to my cheek. So as you can see, just a lot going on with this glam side. And to set, I use my LA Colors Translucent Setting Powder. And I used my Bretman Rock Wet n Wild Loose Highlighting Powder to go ahead and do the cheekbone, nose, and even the brow bone a little more. Just the regular highlight spots. I'm just defining the nose a little bit more with the Physicians Formula bronzer there. Alright, so this is a Wet n Wild lip pencil. These are so handy, affordable, and they rock. So I'm lining my lips, and I'm going over that with the Revlon Metallic lip gloss, which I love. It's something new I've tried it recently as well, and another Revlon sparkly gloss, because I want these lips to just be out of this world, popping. And then we are onto the zombie side. So this is the e.l.f. Full Coverage Concealer, and this is a few shades too light for me, as you can tell, so it looks more white on my skin, but that's what we want for the zombie side. I didn't even need face paint. I just used a super light concealer. And then with a dark shadow, I'm just shading in my under eye area and my eyelid crease. So then I took a very dark, kind of cool undertone contour shade that I wouldn't normally contour with because it's too dark for me, and I contoured my forehead and my cheekbone. And then with the liquid liner, I'm doing a wing, and I'm also creating like some eye bags underneath, you know, and even a little scruff there. And I even decided to do like a random gash in my head, and I filled it in with red liquid lipstick, and I actually like how it turned out. That was more spontaneous, but a good move, I think. So now I'm pretty sure I'm going to be, oh yes, I'm just going to kind of shade in that corner of my mouth, and I'm purposely smudging it to create kind of like a messy, hot mess zombie look. Apply the lash. And then I just want to define the barrier, create some shadow, make it look like that piece of my face is really popping out. Oh, and then I did add some black nail polish to my missing nails. So then I had like, you know, some cute ones, some zombie ones. And I went ahead, I cut up an old tank top, and I even added some scratches to my chest. And there you have it, guys. Hey guys, so I was having some troubles in the beginning, but I actually love the end product. It's weird because the zombie part I feel like is way more easier than the glam part. It's just, I don't know, but I think it turned out really well and I really like it. So yeah, if you guys want to try something, you're looking for like a face makeup idea or something for Halloween, this is a really good go-to. Comment what else you guys are interested in seeing for the Halloween season, and thank you so much for watching. As always, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time, guys. Bye.